Hi everyone, my name is Shayla and I'm the student recruiter for the College of Health Sciences. And today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for our BARST program. Before I begin the presentation, I would like to acknowledge that the University of Alberta is located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages, and cultures of First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all First Peoples of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant community. And today I'm going to be going over our Bachelor of Arts in Recreation, Sport, and Tourism program. This program is a broad field of study from sport tourism to mountain history, from fitness and active living programs to arts, culture, and heritage. This program has a lot of freedom in which students can create a diversified program that aligns with their individual interests in one of the world's largest and fastest growing industries. This program includes community engagement, the focus of quality of life in communities, and also provides a business focus. This includes taking courses such as marketing, management, and finance focused on leisure and recreation. Within this degree, we do have alumni that have been accepted into occupational therapy, become directors of sports associations, empower communities in health and wellness promotion, and have even opened up their own backpacking tourism company. Again, this degree has a lot of opportunities for students to customize their future with various career paths. And here we have the high school requirements for the BARST program. As you can see, it is quite flexible in what students can take. The only thing being, as usual, is students need to have English 30-1. Students must also meet the English language proficiency. Regardless of citizenship, students must possess the language skills in order to participate and learn in the KSR programs. This is because the primary language of instruction at the U of A is English, with the exception of those at the Faculté Saint-Jean. And as you can see here, we have the competitive averages for both the high school applicants and transfer applicants. As you can see here, the high school applicant competitive average is mid to high 70s, whereas the transfer applicant average is 2.0 and above. If you do want to learn more about the averages for our programs, you can visit uab.ca/averages. There are various career opportunities for graduates of the Bachelor of Arts in Recreation, Sport, and Tourism program. This can include, but is not limited to, roles such as a Parks and Recreation Manager, Event Coordinator, Sports Administrator, Recreation Facility Operator, Special Events and Festival Manager, Athletics Director and Manager, and Arts and Culture Development Officer. Graduates of this program have launched exciting careers with well-known organizations such as Parks Canada, the Vancouver Canucks, and Volleyball Canada, just to name a few. Many students have also successfully turned field experiences into permanent roles. In 2023, two graduates were able to do just that. Alyssa was able to transition her 14-week practicum into a full-time recreation assistant role in Saddle Lake after graduation, while Sumaya secured a remote position with a marketing agency in Newfoundland and Labrador, where she interned as an undergrad. With hands-on experience and real-world connections, BARST can open doors to amazing opportunities. The transition year program has been around for several decades at the U of A. It has been a starting point for a large and diverse group of students who have been successful in a wide range of programs. The transition year program is available for both the BKIN and the BARST degrees only, and it does allow for Indigenous students who may not be prepared to enter faculty through the regular admission route to join. The transition year program is a full-time on-campus program that sets students up to enter a degree program in their second year. This program does have both academic and cultural components, as well as community involvement with access to elders, cultural teachers, and more. Students can create a strong network of support by getting to know other students in small, intimate learning environments. And for anyone interested in transferring into the BARST program, you would need to apply as a transfer applicant and be assessed on two main factors. You will need to present the 5 required high school courses, and a minimum AGPA of a 2.0 is required. This is calculated from the most recent 24 transferable units, which is the most recent 8 courses. If students do not have 24 units that are transferable to the U of A, they may be assessed on a combination of their high school and transferable post-secondary course grades. Of course, a higher GPA may be needed to be considered competitive, and to better understand if previous coursework is transferable, students can use the U Alberta Transfer Credit Search Tool or the Alberta Transfer Search Tool if their post-secondary coursework was taken in Alberta. Students who are 21 or older on the first day of classes and are not presenting transferable post-secondary education may be considered a non-matriculated applicant. Fewer high school subjects are required. However, a competitive average and all other minimum admission requirements must be met. The U of A does not offer high school academic upgrading. Any missing high school courses must be completed elsewhere prior to the document deadline. For information about upgrading through another post-secondary institution, a school board, or through distance learning, please visit the Alberta Advanced Education website. Administered by the Faculty of KSR and the Faculty of Native Studies, they offer a certificate in Indigenous Sport and Recreation. This is open to students enrolled in degree programs in these faculties. Essentially, students can receive this certificate alongside their degree. And the curriculum positions sport and recreation as instruments for improving community health. It does provide students with a flexible and innovative environment that emphasizes academic excellence and experiential learning. A key feature of our programs within the KSR faculty is our work integrated learning approach. And this means that we combine learning with experiential opportunities to develop practical skills for your future career. In-field learning is available to match your interests and career goals. This is an excellent opportunity to build your resume and also network with professionals for career options after graduation or letters of recommendations for professional programs. In the Year 3 courses, career explorations and interpersonal skill building, students will acquire essential skills for job searches, resume writing, interviews, and networking, all while actively engaging with professional stakeholders. Students will also be able to develop a dynamic professional portfolio. And in the Introduction to Professional Practice, students will apply their knowledge in interdisciplinary theory within the specific context of KSR settings. They also will be able to integrate theory and practice throughout various learning settings. Students will engage in multiple short group microfield placements, each with variable time commitments. From there, students get to choose which sector they are interested in, such as research, comprehensive field experience, interdisciplinary collaborative practice, or international experience. With the research placement, this is a microfield placement and allows students to take a research experience-based course, and students will work in the research labs and or on research projects of KSR faculty members. In the comprehensive field experience, it is a macro and micro placement. There's a lot of hands-on learning, fully integrated. Students will be fully integrated into their work and placed in their subject of study. The interdisciplinary and collaborative practice is a micro field placement-based course, and students will work in a small team to analyze a complex problem and propose a solution to address a real-world issue. Lastly, for the international experience, this will prepare U of A students for a 3-month service learning placement in either South America, Asia, or Canada. In order for your application to be considered complete, your final and official transcripts must be received by the U of A along with any other required documents by the document deadline. For more information on how to submit transcripts and documents, please visit uab.ca/aftapp. And for Registration 101, here's how to register in your U of A courses. First, you want to make sure that you are accepting your offer and paying your tuition deposit. You can find your enrollment date in Bear Tracks. You could also register for a Registration 101 workshop when they do become available. These are usually in March. And the KSR Registration 101 modules are available at uab.ca/reg101. Same with the program guides. And after that, you can enroll in your courses. Here are some important dates and deadlines I want you to be aware of. So applications open October 1st, 2025 and close March 1st, 2026. The guaranteed housing deadline is April 30th, 2026. If you would like more information about residence, please visit uab.ca/residence. The outstanding documents deadline for transfer students is June 15th, 2026, and the outstanding documents deadline for high school students is August 1st, 2026. If you do have any further questions after this presentation, please feel free to email ksr.recruiting@UAlberta, or you can book a virtual advising session at uab.ca/advising. If you want to just check out our general website just to learn some more information about our programs, you can visit uab.ca/ksr. And if you do want to sign up to receive the latest U of A info, event alerts, updates, and more, please feel free to scan the QR code. Thank you so much.